Someone give Larry a crowbar and some baby oil.
Is it just me, or is he always getting stuck in places?
He's always getting
Yes.
stuck in places. So he's going to need something with a top on it.
Oh,
this weekend.
for sure, and a good heater because it is cold out there. This morning it was chilly. Look at the temperatures already. Here we are, 6:17 as I'm doing the weather forecast right now. 37 already in Albemarle. It's 39 down in Chester, 44 in Charlotte. So it's cooling off quickly. We're going to be below freezing probably within the hour. So another cold night tonight, deep freeze again. Tomorrow temperatures recover back into the mid 50s under mostly sunny skies. We've got one dry front moving through the area right now. That dry cold front pushing through will usher in some colder air. That lake effect band still ongoing on the south side of Buffalo. Probably going to end up with a record snowfall in New York State for a 24-hour period. We got 54 inches in Orchard Park. That was as of 4 o'clock. So the state record, by the way, for a 24-hour period is 50 degrees up in Camden, which is just northeast of Syracuse. That's more off of the Lake Ontario snow belt. So you could see all the snow that we're expecting on top of what's already fallen. This is not total, this is additional. So maybe another foot. So that's going to push us well over 65 inches of snow. That is going to be one of the all-timers. Even for Buffalo, this is going to be a huge event for that area. Normally don't see that much snow in one storm. You can see high pressure in control the next couple of days. Lots of cold air for us. So eventually we'll see the rain chances return after a dry weekend. Keeping an eye on Tuesday, but right now I'm a little more optimistic for that Wednesday, Thursday time frame, and rain more so on Friday. Here's a look at the long-range futurecast. The thing we're watching, there's two branches of the jet stream. There's the polar jet, which bottles up all the cold air. There's the subtropical jet. That's more of the storm track. When those two combine, you get big storms. The polar jet controls the cold air. It stays north of there. That's going to be up to our north. So that's the polar jet bringing that little disturbance. The southern jet brings an area of low pressure. So they're separate, probably not as big a storm. If they get together, which could happen as it moves up the East Coast, that would be a bigger system for the Northeast. So probably more of an impact coming home from Thanksgiving as opposed to going to Thanksgiving. So Thanksgiving Day locally right now, upper 50s to low 60s, temperatures staying steady with our trends. Rain chances trending down because it looks like it's going to be more on Friday right now, possibly into Saturday. So here's the 3-day forecast next week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we're looking a week ahead of time to kind of help you plan. Locally, probably 50s for highs. So not super cold, but not super warm either. Right around average for this time of the year. This weekend, though, certainly cold. Temperatures are only in the 50s. Tomorrow, probably only 40s for most of the day on Sunday. And the mornings in particular, really cold, down into the 20s to near 30 degrees. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Cold overnight temperatures. Boy, is going to be chilly. We start to moderate a little bit by Thanksgiving, and it looks like it's going to stay chilly. Probably mid-50s as we go into next week, and not mid-40s for that home Panthers game next Sunday.